Hello, whoever you are. This video, I'm really just showing off, like... Oh, that team's full. I'm really just showing off, like, all the stuff in the new Jailbreak update. So, yeah. Haven't seen, like, anything yet. So... It's really just me showing you where to get all the escapes and stuff. Because there is a new one. There is a very new escape. There are no cops. It is the new escape. Oh, I know what that is. He cut through the fence. Explode this wall. So that's really just there. That's the new escape. It's a bit more hidden. Besides there being a massive exit. So... yeah. Let me check what else is on the list of the things they added. New cash prices and army helicopter. Honestly, these people could be more stupider. So... Alright. So this is just me showing you all the crap, like I said before. Right over here is the army helicopter. For those who didn't know, it was a 1 million vehicle. Any moment now it should pop in. There it is. This vehicle, or this video, wasn't that long, but yeah. Bye.